Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly enable or disable dark mode or light mode without opening settings in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So from the topic you have known that we are not going to use these settings options. So for this what you need to do is just swipe down the notification panel. Now just click on this pencil like icon and click on this edit. Now at the bottom you'll see a tons of buttons where you can choose the dark mode option. So in my case it's not available, so don't worry if you does not have a dark mode option here. Just click on done. So if you're using a Samsung One UI 7 or One UI 8 or later than that, then the option might have moved to the different layout. So here if you're using a Samsung smartphone, then you can see here one moon-like button. So you can see this one. So if you click on it, the dark mode will get activated, so you can see here. And if you want to change it back to the light mode, then just swipe down the notification panel again and just click on this moon-like button, and it will restore back to the light mode. So by using these cool tricks, you can quickly enable or disable dark mode or light mode without opening settings in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.